Hello and welcome to a short video of how to promote and sell your meeting room space on the BCA Book Web Workplaces website. This website is going to allow you to publish your meeting rooms and the pricing and descriptions and allow the BCA to sell those meeting rooms on your behalf, therefore generating you additional income from your meeting room usage. In order to do this, you need to publish your meeting rooms from Center Charge to Spacedadi and then to the BCA website. To do this, you must go to www.spacedadi.com, which will take you to this site that you can see in front of you. Click the login button, and all you require is a Center Charge username and password to log in. So if you log in using your existing Center Charge username and password, if you don't have one, you will need a Center Charge username and password from one of your Center Charge users. Click the login button, and this will take you into Spacedadi. Where you will see everything from your Center Charge database regarding your meeting rooms. Now, if you don't want to log in through Spacedadi, you can click on the Spacedadi icon on your Center Charge software, and that will log you in automatically to Spacedadi. Once you're in Spacedadi, click on the Promote Space button. This will give a listing of every one of your locations, and it will tell you the status of this location for publishing to the BCA or any promotional portal. So if we look at this particular location here, the listing is not ready. So what we must do is click into Manage Listing. Once we click into Manage Listing, we are now able to upload information about this location. So the first place to start is to add photos. So the warning here tells us that the listing is not ready and that it is currently hidden from any promotional portal. So go through each of these sections, the first one here being photos, and what this does is this takes you to the description of your location. If we go to the top, you might want to check the location name, the address, an email address and telephone number. Upload your images by clicking on Upload Image. So you just simply click on it, select the building, image to upload. That uploads the image for you. It's worth uploading all 5 images if you can. Upload an image of your center manager. So you can click in here, and if you have a picture of your center manager, you can upload this image. So we'll just quickly go and upload an image of a person. So I'll just load any image here in the interest of time. Put the location manager name in there, because when the people booking or interested in booking space communicate, they will communicate directly with that location manager. So do enter the location manager name, the email address, as this will be the email address that any communication will go to, and the telephone numbers. Now this is important because if a booking is made, then the customer may want to speak to you directly, and they will be sent an email with your direct contact details, and this will come from this section. You'll need to put a description. These are compulsory fields, so you can put a description here about your building. So sometimes people can take this straight from their website. Type in the description of your building. So I'm going to say beautiful building in the heart of London's West End. Okay, now in the description it's worth referring to why somebody should come to this location to book your meeting rooms or training venues or conference. So things that are unique about you in terms of location, in terms of the style of the building, in terms of the meeting room product that you've got. In here, you need to make sure your postcode is properly mapped, because this gives us the coordinates of your building. So when a search is done on the site, it will come through. So just click Show on Map. And what will happen, this will place on the map your coordinates. So we'll just scroll down to here. And if you need to move the character here because it's not quite in the right location, you can just move the character and that will place that person on that location. Okay, so add amenities. So you might want to tell people what amenities are available at that location. So if you have a roof terrace, check that box. If you want to add your own amenities, you can click Add Amenities and add those amenities. Click Save and your location is now updated. If you miss any fields that are compulsory, you will be prompted. So if I put in here London and just click Save, the location is now ready for publishing. Okay. Okay, so now the warning on my description has gone. It is still prompting me that I have a warning because I only have one photo, so do add in all your photos. Set your cancellation policies. So there's a choice of 3 cancellation policies. Now you need to go into your resources and update meeting room information. So if you haven't got any resources, you can click Add Resource. I'll actually go into a building that has resources just to give you a view. So we'll look at this particular building here. Click on the resource. So this building has 8 resources not yet published. So click on the conference room, update the information. So this is one that already has been updated. So make sure the conference room information is updated. Put an image. The resource name will come through from center charge. Add a description. Put the pricing in. The pricing is compulsory in terms of the rates. It will show the external rates. So the external rates are the key rates. Set up your available capacities and the amount of people that are available that can fit in that meeting room. And again, add any complementary items that you so wish. So you can add your own ones or just select the items that are available at this particular meeting room. Once you've done that, click Save. Repeat that process for every one of your resources or meeting rooms, and then once you've done that, we'll take you back to the listing screen. There's a couple more jobs to do before you're ready to promote on the BCA or Book Workplaces site. Click Manage Listing to take you back here, although you have a menu down the left-hand side for you to update. There is an availability calendar which you can update, so you can say if you don't want to be available at weekends, you can update your availability. It automatically updates that you're not available, so if you do want to enable it, you can. And if you want to blank out any particular days like bank holidays, you can just check the bank holiday date on your availability. Lastly, update your internet and access instructions. So for example, when somebody books, you can issue them with instructions on what they need to do for internet access when they get to your venue, and also what to do when they arrive in terms of reporting to reception or whether they have to get a card cut. So once you have that, you are now ready to update and promote your portal. You'll find your status will tell you the listing is ready. If you click on Manage Listing, then click on the Promotion Portals area, You'll need to read and agree the terms and conditions for both Book Workplaces and the BCA. This will go through the commission structures and the terms of booking through those services. Make sure include is turned on and the visible check on that location is on. And once you change that to being visible, your site information will be published within about 30 seconds to a minute of you making that visible. So what that will mean is on the BCA site, if someone was to search in this case for 180 Piccadilly, these results will be found and people could make a booking directly on your site. Hopefully that explains the process. There's more information on www.spacedadi.com in terms of how to upload your space. Thanks very much.